Alright, Darian Thomas here, and I'm going to teach you how to take some blinds down. These are older blinds, and it's a unique way to kind of take them down, but really the only tool that I'm using for this is a flathead screwdriver. So, very simply, all I'm going to do, if you notice, there's not really a screw or anything like that underneath here, but this piece here, pointing to right here, this moves that way. So this piece is gonna go that way. So I can't really do it with my hand. So I use a screwdriver, push it over, and boom, there we have it. Once I do that, I'm gonna take this piece off. Usually place it in a pocket or somewhere I can find it. And this here just comes out just like this. So pretty easy. Sometimes these are jammed in here a little bit. Over on this side, this one's a little bit more difficult to get out as well. But so that's where my, handy dandy Phillips head, I should say flathead screwdriver comes in. So you just want to pop this piece out, and then once you pop that piece out, these come out just like this. And they fit in pretty snug. And if you want to put it back in, it's fairly simple too. So if you notice here, see how this piece kind of has those pieces, at the top and bottom, how they fit in snug? Well, same thing here. See how they kind of fit in snug? So you just want to make sure that you find it, and then you just fit the pieces in. You may have to play with it a little bit, but it's relatively, pretty easy. And whenever I'm recording a video, it always makes it more difficult, just because that's life and that's how things go. But with that being said, it's relatively easy. Perfect. And like I said, it just slides over. You just lock that in, and you are good to go. So hopefully this video helped you, and thanks for watching.